Good medical morning. This is Watson with your medical week in review. Make sure to click subscribe and the notification bell to see all of our educational, pimple popping, and procedural videos. First off is this epidermoid cyst. It comes to us from TikTok. The sebaceous content is being excised by a medical professional. Wow. Next is one of my favorite lip pimples. Owen turned 101. Can we get him a few likes? This pimple pop is quite the tease. Let's listen in.
It's pretty like that. You know? Yes, slowly. Oh, bro. Oh my god. Oh! That is thick. Okay, I'm gonna push harder, okay? You've been growing it for this moment right now. Oh, gross. You wanna see it? Oh! You sure that's all of it?
And what do you think of these extreme extractions? These new teeth whitening pens make quite the difference in color. I'll show you more about them at the end of the video. In the meantime, there's a link below. This is a nice quickie. Let's watch it again. Adam thinks these real bodysuits are fascinating. What do you think? And check out this Q-tip pop. Here's a couple more bonus pops. Hey folks, if you want to whiten your teeth but want something convenient, gentle, and doesn't cost an arm and a leg, then check out these whitening pens. They make a perfect gift. We'll put an Amazon link in the description below.